So in the second part of logarithmic functions, we're asked to change to exponential form. So again, let's write down relationship y equals b to the power x. This is equivalent to log base b of y, our answer, which equals our exponent x. So let's apply that to our given logarithm. So our base is 11. Our exponent is 4, and 11 to the power 4 equals 14,641. That's a big number. All right, next one. Our base is 2. Our exponent is 7, and this equals 128. So 2 to the power 7 equals 128. All right, next one. Our base is a half. We're going to raise a half, 1/2 to negative 1/3, and this gives us a value of 8. Next one, our base is 10. We're going to raise 10 to the power 0, and this equals 1. So anything raised to the power 0 is 1. That's a check. And finally, our base is 4. We're going to raise 4 to the power 3, and this equals 64. Good. So that brings us to the end. And if you have any questions, feel free to send us an email or give us a call. And thank you for watching.